another package for the coding card. This one is a package. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's quite a lot. And then there are 47 different cards, but we categorize by color.
Red, green, yellow, purple, event cards, orange, teal,
And
light green.
So there are 7 categorized color. That means this is start and the green is direction. The other one is the number. Purple is event card, and orange is math, addition and subtraction. And this color for the angle, and then this one is the drawing.
Okay.
So all these cards, I'm gonna explain how to use this card. Okay.
All right. We're looking forward to that.
Yes.
Coming up, Jackie's going to show us how to use these cards to code with GENIBOT.
Yes, right. So I make you surprised. Yes, because there's so many functions by this card. Okay.
Okay, exciting.
Okay, let's go to the chapter.
All right, let's get started.